Hello, my name is Mark. I work for Ascent, and today we're going to take a look at what's new in Creo Parametric 11, specifically the expand by level new functionality. We'll take a look at how things used to work in Creo 10 and how this functionality has improved it in Creo 11. Here we have an example of a Creo 10 assembly where the tree has a couple of components listed in it. Those components or subassemblies have components inside of them or have features that can be expanded. If we go over to the top of our model tree and click on the Expand All option, the entire tree and all of the different sublevels expand all at once. If you go to the right of that, there's a Collapse All option. Collapse All will collapse everything, making just the assembly displayed in the tree. Now you can toggle between expand and collapse. If you want to see just the top level expanded, you can double click on Vice assembly, and that will show its components expanded, but none of the sublevels will be. And the only way to expand the sublevels individually is to use your cursor to be able to expand that sublevel and subsequently expand the ones that you want. And finally, we can expand them all or collapse them. Very limited is what we can do in Creo 10. In Creo 11, the Expand All option has been replaced with an Expand by Level command. The graphic is slightly different, and the idea is that if you select on a feature and select on Expand, only that feature in the tree will expand. So we have a little bit more control, similar to if you clicked on the arrow to expand it. However, if you have nothing selected in the tree and you clicked on Expand by Level, the current level will be the assembly, in this case Vice, and the main level will expand. So base plate and bearing support expanded, while the sublevels all are still collapsed. We can individually select those sublevels and expand them at that level, or we can still use the collapse all function. Just gives us a little bit more control over what we're seeing in that tree and how we're expanding it based on what is selected. And that's the new expand by level function within Creo 11.